The forest, the trees, the natural beauty that surrounds us. For many of us here in Lacey, this is why we feel so lucky to call this place home.
Hi, I'm Riley Stark, contract urban forester and resident of the city of Lacey. Our urban forest provides us all with a beautiful natural backdrop for our everyday lives. It also provides us with cleaner air, habitat for wildlife, summer shade, and reduced stormwater runoff. Conserving, protecting, and growing our urban forest benefits everyone in our city. In this short 5-part series, we'll go over some of the ways city policies help ensure the continued growth of Lacey's urban forest so that our trees can continue to benefit our city for generations to come.
Like most cities in the South Sound, Lacey was built in a mostly forested environment with scattered prairies. Native stands of Douglas fir, red cedar, alder, maple, and oak flourished in our gravelly soils. As our city grew, stands of native trees were converted into farms and industrial timberlands. These cultivated lands were eventually displaced by residential and commercial developments. Streets and parking lots covered much of the land. The need to conserve natural stands of trees and replant our city became apparent. So, in 1991, the City of Lacey adopted a tree protection ordinance. Among other policies, the city prioritized the retention of trees in developments and required most properties to retain or replant a minimum number of trees so that the overall tree canopy would not decline. The City of Lacey also began to require that street trees be planted to reduce stormwater runoff, control air pollution, and improve the aesthetics of our built environment. These efforts, combined with the Tree Committee, program funding, and an Arbor Day celebration, allowed the City of Lacey in 1991 to participate in the Tree City USA program from the Arbor Day Foundation.
The city's urban forestry plan has evolved since 1991. A key component of this plan is a partnership with tree protection professionals, such as myself, to help facilitate the tree protection ordinance and allow for both trees and people to flourish in our city. Please join me as we continue to discuss urban forestry in Lacey and how it can enhance the quality of life for everyone in our city.